Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelechi Elegoyen Franklin, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a new TRX mining platform or site in which you can be able to make money for yourself. Yes, this platform is trusted by so many, and if you do the same, you can add it to your passive income and make a lot of money for yourself. But before I proceed, please use 2 seconds of your time to subscribe, like my video, and give this video a thumbs up. And to get more informative and educative content like this, and also do well to join my Telegram community or channel where more information are being shared. In that note, I want to make a shout out to Ella's Hustle TV. I want to make a shout out to Money Clone Zone, Meridian FF, Blessed, Sam Digital, and Random House. Thank you for subscribing, and I promise to keep dropping informative and educative content like this and all of that. If you are new to my channel, I do a random shout out to all my new subscribers, and if you want me to give you a shout out, please do well to subscribe and do well to leave a comment in the comment section. Type TRX so that let us make an algorithm, and I'll pick you randomly and also give you a shout out. Let's move. A few days ago, I made a poll in my Telegram community tab asking if I should make this video concerning mining, how you can get started. 97% requested for it, so that is why I decided to do this legit mining video and all of that. For me, I will rate this mining site 60% trusted from what I have seen so far. But I also love you to do your own personal research on this platform before you invest. And the name of this platform is known as maratrx.com. All you just need to do is to register using the link in the description box and sign up with your phone number, and you get started. It is easy and it's not difficult to do. All you just need to do, use the link in the description box as provided in the description. Please use it and then sign up, and then you get started. If you have an account already, all you just need to do is to log in to your account. So I'm going to log into my account and then show you what you need to know and how you can be able to get started with this particular platform. Now I have logged into my account, and this is how the platform, or this is the interface of this particular platform or this site is. The first thing you need to know is that you need to know more information about this particular platform. The first thing you need to do is to go to this particular icon or bell icon here at the top right corner. All you just need to do is to click on it. Once you click on it, you will see this particular tab that will just open like this. Say register and give a 7,777 TRX for you. This is what will be given to you immediately you sign up. As you can see on my screen, it has already been credited, and this is my balance. Once you register, you will receive this 7,777,000 TRX for yourself. For now, I cannot say that this particular amount of TRX that is already in your wallet, or it's already fixed in your wallet, is withdrawable. All I know is that you need to start investing in order for you to get started. So for you to know more information, once you click on this particular tab, you will see every details about this mining site and how you can be able to get started. And as you can see here, they say that you need to deposit 5 TRX in order for you to activate your account, and then you start mining and start making profit, and you can be able to withdraw. And down below here too, you can see every detail that you can see. You say that once you register, you can be able to get 7,777 TRX immediately you register. And the number 2 step is that you need to understand that once you be able to deposit, either you deposit 5 TRX or any amount of TRX, you will be able to get some percentage once you register. If it's 5 TRX, you get 3% and other details in which you know. All you just need to do is to go through the details and you get more. And also you can also see that once you're able to refer an individual, you get 10% from every investment or everything that the person who registered under you using your link, and you will get commission from it. I want to also let you know that this particular platform is in partnership with all of these parts, including Binance, Bitmart, and many other platforms in which they are being associated with. So to deposit, all I need to do is to click on this deposit at the top here, and then I will now see my wallet address in which will be appear. Then I will click on this particular copy address. Once I copy it and go to my Binance and make a deposit, the next thing I will do this particular icon here and click on recharge completed. And once I click on it, it will automatically reflect in my wallet. So another thing you need to take note is that the minimum you can deposit is just 5 TRX, and that is the minimum. So I'll go to my Binance and do that, and let's get started. So we'll do this together. The first thing I have to do is to go to my Binance. I'll copy the link and then go to my Binance and then deposit, and then we'll get started. Let me first of all deposit. Going to my Binance, I will deposit an amount of Tron, and then we'll get started. To withdraw, then I'll paste the wallet address in this particular wallet address of Tron. Then it will appear, you will see that the wallet address is TRX 20, that is a Tron wallet 20. That is the name of the wallet address. So I will confirm that is it, and I'm going to transfer 251 Tron, and they are charging 1 Tron for it. That is to say that I will receive 250 Tron in my maratrx.com. So I will just click on withdraw, and once I click on withdraw, it's telling me that I will receive 250 Tron, and I'll confirm it. I will then click on confirm. So as you can see, guys, I have made a deposit of 250 Tron, so I have to wait patiently. I will go to my maratrx.com to confirm. As you can see, guys, it's still processing at the top right here. It's still processing, so I'm waiting patiently for it to move, and then once it's done, I will confirm in my maratrx.com. So guys, I have done the transfer and I want to confirm. I will click on this particular recharge, and as you can see right now, you see that the 250 TRX has been deposited successfully, and my balance is now 8,027 TRX that is in my wallet. So this is it, guys. After you have deposited, all you just need to do is to, if you click on this trade icon down below, if you click on trade, you will see that you are requested to, they say that trading profit will be settled every 24 hours. Yes, every 24 hours I will receive 6% of my capital. As you can see, they say 6%. That's what that will be working for me. So once you make any deposit, you receive 6% of your trading profit and all of that. So once you click on withdrawal, you will see it will appear. You click on the basic account, you click on the amount which is given to you daily, which is 7.50 withdrawal limit. I will click on it, and then I will now click on the password and my wallet address, and then I will send it to my Binance account. It will appear automatically. See right here, I don't have any money as of right now. They say daily withdrawal limit 0. I don't have anything right now, so all I have to do is to go to my Binance and confirm that my withdrawal has been successfully completed. So this is it, guys. It's not difficult to use. Once, all you just need to do is to deposit, then you make your daily withdrawal after 24 hours, and then at the end of the day you withdraw. So use the link in the description box in order for you to get started and register. You don't need to do any tax. All you just need to do is to come to the site, do your daily withdrawal. After depositing, you do your daily withdrawal, and then you can decide to share the referral link. Get your link, you click on this share link, you see your referral link or invitation link in which you can invite your friends and family. Then you copy it and then send to them and all of that. And once you are sending this link, share this video so that they can get a clear understanding on how they can get use and make use of all of these things. So use the link in the description box to register and then get started. As you can see, the 7.5 TRX has been completed and it's in my wallet right now, in my Binance wallet. Try to show that it is working. So before you invest on this particular platform, ensure that you do your own personal research and let it be something that you want to do on your own. So if this video was helpful, guys, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a meaningful comment in the comment section. Don't forget to join my Telegram community so that you will see other information and ideas when it is being dropped and all of that. See you on my next video. Peace.